guys, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to wear 2 or more hair items on Roblox. So if you didn't know before, Roblox only allows you to wear 1 hair item at a time. So like if you want a hair combination, you can't really just select one and then add another on, if you get what I mean. But there is a way to wear 2 or more hair items at a time. So if you want to find out how, keep on watching. So first you want to find that 2 hair pieces that you think would look really good together, and you're gonna put one of them on. For me, I'm gonna choose this one to put on. And you're going to go to the item page of the other hair. And as you can see, there's a link over here for the hair item, so you're going to copy the number in the link, like basically this number as you can see over here. So you're going to want to copy that. Now you can go back to your avatar. Okay, so now you're going to click on the advanced and paste the number you just copied. And there you go. As you can see, both of the hair items are checked, but for me it's not loaded yet, so I just have to redraw my character and both of the hair should load. There we go. We have both our hair items on. And this is gonna be the end of today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!